Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Nokia C31. To do this, you will need to open the Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Google Classroom. Select it and download it. When it's ready, click on Open, then Get Started. Choose the account for the Google Classroom, then press on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code in a pool right here, and then click on the Join to join your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.